Daddy.
This is the guy to Georgia Outdoors. And that right there is what you call a dirty ice cream kiss. But as you can tell as the video, the title implies, this is our last fishing trip. Right now we are about 3 days away from deer season. And you know we're big deer hunters, but I feel like I want to include this, my last fishing video, because I was fishing with my buddy John with Creek Fishing Adventures. If you want to win a hat, I got this one right here. See Lucy's, turn around Lucy. We have kids versions. We have the new for this month. We have the same hat, but it's in a greenish color for hunting since hunt season's coming. And you can win a hat. All you have to do is watch the video. And every catch, there's a number beside it. And you comment below which fish was the biggest one. Not including the mudfish. Now there's a mudfish, we don't count that one. But of the other fish, I want you to comment below which one was the biggest fish. And that's how you're gonna get entered in for a chance to win a hat. We'll mail it right to you. But first of all, we're gonna go. This is me and my buddy John. And you're gonna see some of the best parts about me, the things I enjoy about being a YouTuber. Y'all tearing them up this morning? Well, we just getting here. Who? You watch me on TV?
Yeah.
Well, that's probably, you might.
Yeah, we do watch you on
Okay.
TV. We sure do.
Well, I appreciate that.
All the time. We need to subscribe.
Yep. I do appreciate that, guys.
Hey, you recognize him.
Yeah, he looked at me right away.
Caught some fish the other day.
What's your name?
Gracie.
Gracie, I'm Blake. Now, can I shake your hand? Can I do that? What's your name?
Albert.
Albert.
Your last
And what's your
name's
name?
Jeffrey,
That's
right?
me. That's me. What's your name?
Conway.
Conway? I love that name. All right, guys. Y'all have a good one. It was nice meeting y'all. All right, today I'm wrapping up my best bait for the river series, and this is a white spinner bait. This is not my confidence bait, but I think it'll do pretty good. River's really low. I got John behind me throwing a pink soft plastic, so if I see him getting all the fish, I'll swap up, but we're gonna hit some of these little dark holes. Right there. Warmouth. If I keep running into some of these small panfish, I'm either gonna have to probably upgrade to something a little bigger. Oh, I missed him. He was there, right there. He hit, there he is. Little tiny bass. Talking about a tiny one. I'm not keeping fish today, and even if I was, wouldn't be able to keep him. I wouldn't get a fish stick out of this one. Well, there he went back, so made the whole process a little bit easier, but he hit it 2 or 3 times. Like he definitely wanted it. All right, there's gotta be a fish right here on this curve. Feeling it. There he is, right there. There we go. Well, caught him. Close enough. He's about a pounder. Do I count that as a catch? Comment below, does that count as a catch? I'm catch and release today, so I was gonna throw him back anyways. So can I call that a catch? When I see John, can I lie and say, yeah, I caught him? Or can I just say, ah, he got off?
It's so much log jam, like really big thick ones.
You'd spin all, oh, look at that. He just came out the water after it. Oh, look here, I don't think that was a bass. He just cut my line in half.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, look at that, it just cut the hook clean off. I don't know what that was.
Oh yeah.
What is it?
I don't know, but it's come off 3 times. I think it's a little jack.
Jack? Well, he just cut me clean.
Right in front of me. Yeah, little pickle right staring at me right now. He hit my lower 3. Oh, he swam back off.
Did he? Yeah. Well, he just cut mine clean.
I was trying to reel it in, you hit it. They love topwater.
There he is. There we go. That's the one we've been wanting, John. He's about, he ain't huge, but he's definitely a good bit bigger than what I've been catching.
Oh yeah.
He's at 14-incher maybe, so he's a pretty little thing. He hit it quick right here too. I've been needing that. Look here, if you watch my channel, you know this ain't like me right here. Throw him back, but here we go. Wow. Both in? You don't want to hook yourself. Look at him.
Oh! He's gonna get away. Them things can wiggle. They're so strong.
He was headed back to the river.
Yeah. Hold him here. I knew to do that.
Yeah, I knew. Only a matter of time.
Usually what you want to catch, because they're so beefy and strong, but you see the spot on his tail barely because it's so muddy. But that's pretty cool on a topwater lure. About a 3-pounder there. So. Wouldn't mind getting a couple more. Let's get back on it. Hold on.
Oh, mudfin, mudfin, bowfin. We typically call them mudfish.
Yeah.
But there's a whole select group of people around here that call them dogfish.
I've heard that too.
Yeah. That's my crew. My family calls them mudfish. You can tell we were off to a pretty good start. We caught some good fish. Well, what you're about to see now is a second trip where me, my dad, and a family friend, Mr. Rodney, went fishing, and we ended up having a pretty good day there as well. And I'm just now noticing just how dirty Kimber's face is, but you can tell they're having a good time. So there's a few more catches, so be paying attention. Which one is the biggest? Comment below. You could win a hat.
Should you follow that?
Should I?
There he is. There he is.
Must be dealing with some brim.
Kick my wrist one back.
Right there.
Look at that. That's okay. First bass of the day. I see.
Yep, he got it.
Huh?
Yeah, first bass.
Looks like didn't want to follow me now.
Slow start. We ain't having much going on, but it's about to happen. I see something working the bait up on that little sandbar around the corner, so maybe we can sneak up and get one of those. Maybe that'll be a hungry bass. Right there, right there. First one of the day. Ain't much.
You're right, I can't see.
Wow. I told you. Can't fish that stagnant. Look at that. That's a pretty one.
Huh? What I come for.
That's what we come for. And that's kind of a pinkish bubblegumish trickworm. That's kind of a combination of both.
That was a white one that had been laying up
In pack with pink, yeah. It's a pretty bass.
Did you see how he hit it though?
I didn't.
I'd have done
Cut right at you?
Quits.
The two that I've caught today have been right at me.
I call it quit reeling it on in.
There he is. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's pretty. Hook popped right out. That's pretty. We've worked hard for him. Dad caught one about this size. I've caught a couple small ones. Pretty bass. Now you may be looking at this as that's awful small. Well, for this river, this is actually a pretty good size. Kind of steep here. Wow. There we go. Sorry about that little shake. Had to get across. There he is. There he is. Is that a good bass or what? All right. There we go. Just got down first cast. Oh man. Right here's a pretty kind of like a staircase. I wasn't even ready for that one. I was still getting into the mood. These are fat little guys down here. Telling you, these are good eating. There's something got me. Wow. Wow. I can hear the cars going down the bridge. It's been a slow day. Finally got this one. That is, I can hear the bridge. Yep, that's pretty. Oh, look right there. Woo! I can see the bridge. 11th hour. Call these them 11th hour bass. As you can tell, that was some pretty good fishing, and this year has been just good all year long. We've caught some really good fish, and you know, I say it like I'm relieved, but fishing season's over because now I'm ready to go into deer hunting. And but which one do you think was the biggest? Comment below 1 through 12. If there's more than one person who gets it right, that's fine. We'll just choose from the kind of randomly between the ones that actually got it right. And one last thing, this video needs to hit 1,000 views before we do the drawing. And I know that can happen. Help me out, share it with someone, and someone who may enjoy this content. If you would, send it their direction because it really helps us out. Hope you enjoyed this video. We got a lot of content coming up. In fact, we have our outdoor dream hunt with 9 kids coming this year to hunt with us, so that's going to be a great day. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, this has been the unofficial, no doubt incomplete guide to Georgia Outdoors.
Bye. Bye.